assembly, and in this video we are going to see how to make this screw bar. So let's make it. First open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then part design. After that click on OK. After that you have to select any plane from here and then go on sketch option from here. You can use two options, circle and then make one circle on it and then again one circle on it. Otherwise you can just make revolve, or you can just use revolve option. For that you have to use this profile command and you have to make one figure as it is given. I am using all by dimensions. I am using all dimensions in figure. So let's use this constraint option. Distance between this line to the central axis is given as how much it is given? It is given as 6 divided by 2, that is 3. And distance between this to this is given as this is given as 3 actually, and this is distance given and this distance is given as 2. After that we have to give dimensions. The distance between this axis this line to this axis is given as 10, and same on this side. This to this distance is given as 10, and distance between this to this line is given as 104. Not that distance is not 104, so delete it. Delete this. Again use this constraint option. Distance between this axis to this is given as 104. It is given in figure. After that go on exit to workbench, and now we can use here this shaft command. So select the axis on which you want to shaft it, rotate it, and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our screw bar. Thank you so much guys for watching.